guys, you know what? I'm out here. No, I'm in the garage, but I was out there somewhere, trying to tan when my husband calls me and texts me and says, hey, you gotta check the air filter. I'm sorry, but I don't know where the fuck the air filter is. So, why don't you come with me and we'll find out. Alright, you ready? Let's see, we're going to get in the car. We're going to find the button. Alright. Now, let's see. Somewhere around here is the latch. Somewhere. I don't remember where it is because I've never done this before. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we're looking for the airbox filter. Let's see if I can find it. I don't know. Do you know where it is? I don't know. Oh, there. Okay, so he said it's something square. So I see a battery sign and I see this thing. So let's see if that works. Okay, we gotta undo these clips. Sorry, I'm a sweaty mess right now because I was laying outside in the sun. Alright. Oh, yeah, look. I think that's it. We'll have to send him a picture and see what he says. It's kind of dirty. I guess it does need to be replaced, doesn't it? So anyways, we found it. I'm gonna send him a picture and see what he says. And I am going to go back to sunning these lovely beauties because I gotta go on vacation. Alright guys, see you later.